Jeff, VACC has launched a wide-ranging campaign in support of the body repair industry. What's behind it and what will it achieve?
David, this is an education campaign and it's about choice of repairer inside insurance policies. So one of the things that we've found is that more and more consumers, they're buying insurance policies that don't have choice of repair in them, which actually gives the insurers huge power when it comes to how and where that vehicle is going to be repaired. Cuts out a lot of activity for our members, which isn't a good thing. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get consumers to consider looking inside their insurance policy and ticking choice of repairer, which means, of course, in the case of an accident, they've got more control over their vehicle and ultimately will get the repair, hopefully by a local body repair person that they know, but also get the repair that they want. It's a 15-week campaign running on buses, social media and radio. It's a great promotion for the VACC, but more than that, it's about the VACC trying to educate consumers to do the right thing, actually to get themselves better insurance policy, but ultimately to get more work in member workshops and that work undertaken as well as the consumer expects.